Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel XGen Protein X. In this tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to extract the monomer protein or any ligand or any protein from the 3D complex. So sometimes we download the PDB file and that PDB file contain the protein is in multimeric form or in the complex form with the ligand. So in that case, we need to extract only the protein or ligand or only the monomer protein form. So this is very easy process to follow. So let's get started. So as you see in this 3D structure, this is the VEGF protein. So in this sequence, you can see there are 4 different chains. The chain A, there is a chain B, chain C, and chain D. So 4 different chains are here. So I need only only one chain. So I want to only keep the chain A. And other B, C, and D, this protein and these chains I want to remove from this complex. So how to do that? So for that, before you need to open this. So this is a PDB file. So I need to open it through the Edit Plus. So this Edit Plus you need to download. So here I need to open through the Edit Plus. So next, so you see here, so here you see there are in 4 different chain you need to find out here. So this is started from here. So you see here, this is chain A. Okay, this is chain A. So I need to copy the chain A only, and later you can find the chain B, chain C, chain D, chain D. So here I need to copy the chain A only from here. So I need to copy from here. So entire chain A sequence I need to copy from here. This is all the chain A. Okay, so see the chain A. So here is the chain. This one is chain A. So you can see here, from here is chain B started. So I need to till this one I need to copy. So this is the entire chain A. So what I have to do? I have to copy. Okay, and then I want to get a new file, okay, and then paste here, just Ctrl V. So here I paste the chain A sequence, okay, and just save it. Save as VEGF chain A. Okay, so I already saved the VEGF this one. So that's done. So now you can open it through the PyMol. Then you will get the 3D structure. So I can open it through the PyMol. So here you see, so this is the chain A. So if you change it, that this is a cartoon form, then you can see, and the sequence, you can visualize the sequence from here. So now you can see this is the only chain A. You can see here it is mentioned here, the chain A. So you can get the chain A from here. So now you can use this chain A for your docking or any other kind of purpose, whatever you want. You can use this chain A. So this is very easier process to extract your this kind of protein or any kind of ligand from this kind of 3D complex protein. So that's all about the extract of this kind of protein from the complex. So I hope this video will be helpful. So if you like this video, kindly hit the like button, share it, and please subscribe my channel. And if you have any queries, kindly write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.